It was crazy. What's going on YouTube? Ethan Sanders back with another video today on Sanders TV, and I am super excited about this shoe. I'm just ready to get right into it. You see this thumbnail, you've seen the title, you know what we're about to talk about. If you're new here, go down, hit the subscribe button. If you're not new here, I really appreciate the love and support. Let's get right into it. All right, I already know why you guys are here. Let's just get right to it. I'm so excited. 350 on the top, Boost on the side, Yeezy 350 made by Adidas. You get to the size tag, you get the color code, Turtle Boca, whatever that says, Yeezy 350 made by Adidas. It's crazy. We're gonna get that slide drawer box like we've been getting for the last couple years, paper on the inside, and what happens when you pull back that paper? Ooh, this shoe, oh my goodness. Boom, boom, boom. Get a quick little look at it real quick. Yeezy, this might be one of the best shoes ever made. I'm not even joking. All right, you guys already seen what happened when you first see the box, pull drawer, the paper, all that kind of stuff, when you first see when you open it. Now we can get right into the shoes themselves. These beautiful, beautiful shoes. Yeezy 350 V1 Turtledove. I've been wanting these shoes since they came out, 2015, 2016. I was 13 years old in middle school. This one rich kid, this one kid had these shoes. He had two pairs. He had the Turtledoves and he had the Oxford Tans. It was crazy how much like clout this guy had just from having these shoes. He was like, $400. I was like, bro, I'm over here buying shoes from like Adidas discount on the website. I'm buying like Vans. Like, who's getting these shoes in middle school? None of us had that kind of clout. None of us had that kind of money. I digress. These shoes since then have gone insane in price for those original 2015 pairs. Like size 13, my size, $1,000. I see other sizes going for like $2,500 kind of a thing. I don't get it. But nonetheless, we got them now. Got them on Yeezy Day. I hit on these, and how I hit on them is kind of crazy, so I'll kind of get into that a little later. I also hit on the Onyx foam runners. So those ones were also, it was an accident. I didn't mean to hit on those either. So this is kind of crazy. This is the first Yeezy Day that I was ever like actually able to participate in. I never had like money to actually try. Now I've had some money of my own. I had some money to spare. Bada bing, bada boom. Life is great. This has been a grail of mine, like I was saying, since I was 13. This is like the shoe that made me want to get into sneakers. I wasn't really into them that much before then. This shoe did it for me. So, nonetheless, let's kind of start breaking down the shoe itself and getting right into it. All right, so right here, as you can see, right here on the top, we have that stitching down the center of the toe. Very like iconic, I guess you could say. Very known for these laces. I've only seen the original 2015 pairs once or twice at like sneaker stores in person. I believe the laces were flatter then. I could be wrong, but I believe they were more flat, whereas these ones are round, kind of like rope laces, as you can see right there. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure. Also, I've been like looking up different like videos, pictures, stuff like that, kind of like reviewing the old ones so I can have as much information as possible to give to you guys. This little lining right here on the top of the foot seemed to be more darker and like more like there was more stitching into it on the original pair. I don't think that's a bad thing or a good thing. It's just kind of like an interesting little note. Comes on the shoe right here. We have a little tag, just a size tag, nothing crazy. Right there, boom, boom. And then the whole outside has this kind of like, I get, it's almost like a zebra print, but not really. It's the Turtledove print, I guess you could say, around the whole shoe. The entire thing's covered in it. The Yeezy prime knit. I was gonna bring down my 350 V2s to kind of give a little comparison, but I figured most people kind of already know like the gist of those. This prime knit is much looser, I would say, than that one. That shoe definitely feels more sock-like, very much like tightly held onto your foot. This one on like the top of my foot, I guess you could say, where like the top, like right where you go into the shoe, on the top of my foot, it feels like I have more room just to like kind of move around. It's not like a crazy amount of room to the front to back to where I would say that you have to go a size down or anything like that. But I would definitely say I went a half a size up like I always do in Yeezys. They fit pretty good, but if you can only go true to size, you should be fine. Moving on down to the bottom of the shoe, we have the original Boost logo on the heel of it, just this little exposed Boost right here. You can also see up here, the Adidas branding that it had kind of shows like the difference between back then, how Adidas was able to like put their like logo on stuff, whereas today you get shoes kind of like these, the foam runners, basically zero branding at all on them. Kind of crazy to see how far things have come for Kanye and Adidas together, but yeah. Still kind of working on here. It's very like linear traction pattern, nothing crazy. I know in the 2015 pair, the traction pattern on the bottom was very like not durable, fell apart very easily. So I wonder how good these are gonna hold up. I hope very well. It seems very thick. I had it on foot. I tried it on a little bit ago. Wasn't as comfortable as my 350 V2s, but that was kind of expected. I don't really care. These are sick. They could feel like Converse and I wouldn't really care. But nonetheless, you can kind of see those two little slits, the little exposed Boost, very different from how in today's world in like the Quantum Yeezys and on the regular like 50 V2, stuff like that, there's a lot of exposed Boost on the bottom, whereas with these ones, there's very minimal. Moving around to the back of the shoe, back here on the heel, this very famous pull tab right here. Back in the day, these things, they probably still are, honestly, one of the most faked shoes ever. Back then, when this shoe was like pop and everybody wanted them, you couldn't go to the mall, airport, studio, you could go nowhere, Walmart, without seeing a shoe that looked identical to this. They had the light up bottoms. When you would walk, you start flashing. It was crazy. One of the best ways to tell fake or real, this little tab back here needed to have red stripes, and it had like a certain amount of dots within the strap. I don't remember like exact number on that, but that was like a big thing, just like kind of count the number, red stripe, that whole kind of a thing. But this 2022 pair has it, obviously. It's very sturdy. Doesn't feel like it's gonna tear off anytime soon. Feels like they stitched it on like very thickly, like I guess you could say the stuff they used on it's kind of like a hard canvas. I not really what I was expecting, but it feels very durable, like it's not just gonna come off at any given thing. Moving from the back to the inside, one of the most famous parts of the shoe, this big old half circle piece of suede that they put on here. This side has the Adidas logo on the left shoe, and on the inside of the right shoe, you have that OG YZY Yeezy logo. Kind of hard to see, but you can see it. These are awesome. Outside of those kind of details that I just pointed out, it's a very simple shoe. I don't think I'm gonna leave mine factory laced. I might try regular lacing them, but I think for now they're just gonna stay factory laced. This shoe, honestly, I think go with anything. I might throw a little on foot portion at the very end of the video. Definitely gonna do a styling video for these in the upcoming week or two. I want to know what you guys think about these shoes in 2022. Do you think that these are still like cool for the culture? Do you think they're still like wearable in today's day and age of like sneakers? I definitely think they are. I think they're able to go with enough things to where you just throw on like shorts and a t-shirt, shorts and a long sleeve, anything like that. Maybe some sweatpants, you know, something like that. I think it'd be good, but I want to know what you guys think. I love this shoe, and that has been my review of it. I hope all of you guys really liked the video. If you're new here, like I said before, go down, hit the subscribe button. I do a lot of stuff on sneakers on this channel, put a lot of effort into these videos, so I'd appreciate it. If you're not new here, I appreciate all the love and support. If you like the video, go down, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys on the next one.